What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Cooking KD. Thanks for tuning in. I hope all is well with you guys. Today I'm showing you how to whip up some island style conch fritters. Alright, island style conch fritters, Bahamian style, whatever style you want to call it. I got it for you, okay? I got all my ingredients to the side. You see my fresh conch sitting here, and we gonna hop right in. Okay, so I got my fresh conch. What you want to do is get your conch, place it in a gallon bag. All right, get some kind of mallet, hammer, whatever you got. All right, and you're gonna smash it out. All right, you're gonna pound it out, flatten a little bit, and get it nice and tenderized, like you see I'm doing right here. And it's basically what you want. All right, no rocket science. All right, so basically after you tenderize your conch, you just bring it over here. All right. I got my little helpers today to help me. I appreciate y'all. Alright, and go ahead and chop this conch up. No specific way. I mean, you just want it nice and bite size. So when you make this batter, it's not too chunky, okay? So maybe about 1/4 inch thick. You just want to work the knife and chop these up. Alright, so I got all my ingredients right here. Remember, folks, we're using 7 cups of flour, about 5 pounds of conch. Now, this conch is a lot of batter, all right? When we make this batter, we're going to get a lot of conch in each bite. Now, if you want to stretch it even more, you can just double up the dry ingredients amount, all right? Same amount of conch. You won't get as much conch in each bite, but you'll stretch your batter. And then when you have this much batter, all you got to do is pop in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. When you're ready to use it again, pop it out, defrost it, and you're good to go. Now we're going in with our dry ingredients, okay? I'm gonna combine all those. We got a complete seasoning going in. Alright, now you see here, and we're gonna go in with our chicken seasoning, combining all our dry ingredients, black pepper. Lastly, we'll put in our garlic powder. Okay, garlic powder going in. And boom, now we're gonna just whisk those up together, combine it. Alright, get all those ingredients evenly distributed. Then we'll throw in our onions on top of the conch, along with our our yellow and orange peppers. Okay, give those a mix. Alright, get everything mixed in nice and evenly. And then we'll go ahead and throw our flour in, okay? We throw our flour in, and then we go in with our water and mix it out. Now you want a nice thick consistency. You don't want this batter to be too runny. Okay, I'll give you a shot of how that looks in a minute after we're done mixing. Okay, you see here, nice thick batter. You might want to let this batter sit to break down some of the flavors of the onions and let the garlic powder and all the ingredients infuse out into the batter before you fry it. Okay, but this is what you want right here. Scrumptious conch fritter batter. Alright, so we get our 350-degree oil, our ice cream scoop, so you can get all even amounts, and you drop it in the fryer. Alright, and we're gonna let those work for about 5 minutes or so, okay? So now, while those work, alright folks, I'm gonna be serving this with a special sauce, alright? And I'm gonna give you the ingredients to that sauce. It's real simple. You can just gauge it out yourself, but what you're gonna do is get some ketchup, some mayonnaise, a little bit of sriracha for some spiciness, a squeeze of lime to just mellow it out a little bit, some black pepper, and some garlic powder, alright? You mix all those in, you get this pink looking sauce, what you see right here, okay? And And that's it. You see the conch fritters coming out. They're looking nice and golden brown. All right, that's what you want, folks. You got a nice little crispy batter on the outside. All right, and when you break this open, which I'm going to show you in a minute, it's going to be nice. As soon as you break it open, the first thing you're going to see is a big piece of conch. All right, that's what you want. You want conch in each bite. Okay, take a look at this. Take a look at this, people. Nice and soft, juicy conch sitting in the middle. I'm going to dip this in a sauce and see what this tastes like. Folks, this recipe was excellent. As you can see by my reaction, I loved it. Now, folks, I just want to thank you for tuning in. Remember, gotta cook to eat to live, and always give thanks.